quick how to do a custom screen. So in your NVMS 3 app, you're typically, have devices on the left-hand side, and when you want to play them back, you put them in some sort of an array that you like to look at. If we want to make a custom screen, all we got to do is come up here to where it says Custom View, and we hit the plus button. And so, oops, sorry, I was in the middle. So we're just going to go into a new view. It's going to create a new view, and at that point you can edit it to be whatever you wish. It could be exterior cameras, it could be interior cameras, it could be classrooms, it could be parking lots, it could be whatever name you can come up with that makes sense to you. In this case, I'm going to call it Test 2. So what I can do is, you can see that I have 4 screens available now, but I have the option of kind of pre-planning for a screen up to 64 different channels. So I could do like a 9 screen, for example, and I could come in here and I could just grab those particular cameras that I want. Hopefully you have them named over here. If you don't have them named for some reason, you can hit the 3 little dots and modify camera name. But if I have them named, I could come down here and maybe I could go to even multiple sites. So this is a school district that's under construction, and this is an apartment building. And so I could maybe even go to a 3rd site if I wanted to, and maybe put that camera over there. Oops, maybe I don't have a camera there. But I could put a 3rd camera here, and I could call this a custom screen called Test 2. And so you'll notice that if I scroll all the way back up to the top, it says that I'm editing that screen, this 9-position screen. So once I've got it the flavor that I want, maybe I want to rearrange them in any particular area, but once I've got it set up how I want it, all I have to do is hit the Save View button down here. This one's called Test 2. I hit Save, and now from this point forward, every time I start the app, if I want to see that custom view, all I have to do is double click on that custom view, and it's going to take me right to that view that I created earlier. So the one that we just created called Test 2, if let's say this was your exterior cameras and you wanted to look at the interior cameras, you would just double click on the next one, and it's going to bring that screen exactly the way we arranged it and saved it. It's going to leave it right up there the way that it's always been. So it's just simple and easy as that. You can make 1,000,000 custom views if you want. Just keep hitting the plus button, arrange them, name them, and you're set ready. Just as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Omaha Security Cameras.